Welcome my children. We are discussing on classification of alcohols and phenols. We have discussed classification of alcohols on the basis of number of hydroxy groups present. Now we will see classification of phenols on the basis of number of hydroxy groups present in it. This is your hydroxybenzene. Benzene or phenol, monohydric. This is your 1,2-benzene diol. Dihydric. This is your 1,2,4 benzene triol. This is trihydric. Here you see that one hydroxy group is present, so this is known as monohydric alcohol. Here two hydroxy groups are present, so it is known as dihydric alcohols and diol, named as diol in IUPAC. Here three hydroxy groups are present, so they are named in IUPAC system as triol, and this is your trihydric alcohols. Now monohydric alcohols are further classified on the basis of hybrid state of carbon atoms attached to hydroxy groups. Second, on the basis of hybrid state of carbon atoms attached to hydroxy groups. Group in it. Now compounds containing CsP3 OH bond. First, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. In this type, If hydroxy group is attached to primary alcohol, then they are known as primary alcohols. Primary carbon, then they are known as primary alcohols. If it is attached to secondary carbon atoms, then they are known as secondary alcohols. And if hydroxy group is attached to tertiary carbon atom, then it is known as tertiary alcohols. That means it depends upon the nature of the carbon atoms, where will be primary, secondary or tertiary respectively. In this type, hydroxy group is attached to sp3 hybridized primary, secondary and tertiary carbon atoms respectively. As for example, here hydroxy group is attached to primary carbon, so it is known as primary alcohol, and here hydroxy group is attached to secondary carbon atom, so it is known as secondary alcohols. And here you see that hydroxy group is attached to tertiary carbon atom, so it is known as tertiary alcohols. Now you can see in phenol. Phenol may also be primary, secondary and tertiary, as this is your primary, secondary and tertiary. Second is your allylic alcohol. In this type, hydroxy group is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. As for example, this is primary allylic, secondary allylic, and this is tertiary allylic. Now benzylic alcohol. In this type, hydroxy group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond. Attached carbon atom of and sp2 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring. As for example, this is your primary, this is secondary and this is tertiary. Now thanks children. Now in another class in next class.